What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can install Windows 11. Well, the process is pretty simple. If you have a Windows 11 and a laptop or a computer good enough that supports Windows 11, you don't have to worry about anything. For that, you just have to go to your search bar, search for Windows Update. It's after searching for Windows Update, click on this Windows Update settings. Now, after clicking on Windows Update settings, this is what you will see. Here you will be able to see an option for download and install Windows 11 because you can install it and your PC actually supports Windows 11. You just have to click on that and then it will start to download. Once it is downloaded, you just have to click on this accept and install. It will take about an hour to get it installed to your computer. However, if you cannot do it just because your computer does not support it, you can actually install Windows 11 in that case as well. In that case, you just have to come to Google and search for Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Just search for that, and then you have to go to this first link, which should say download Windows 11. And here you just have to, click on this download now. Now, once this thing is downloaded, what it will do is it will create your like tool for you. So what a tool is. So you just have to install a USB to your computer, open up this tool, select the USB, and it will download the whole Windows 11 into that USB. Now, once you have that Windows installed, you just have to, reboot your computer and then boot from that USB. As you can see, this is what you will see. You just have to select USB drive. Once the USB drive is booted up, your USB will be bootable. Just boot your Windows with the USB and you will ask to install your Windows. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.